Van Allen. Gordon was born and raised in Ashtabula, Ohio. He went to work as a teenager for Morrison Radio, fixing radios, TVs, and placing antennas on roofs. His start of climbing ladders. After high school, Gordon joined the armed forces during the Korean conflict. While in the Army, he used his radio know-how running and fixing radios in tanks. Returning to Ashtabula after his discharge, he started his own business. In 1956, Gordon and Bonnie, also an Ashtabula native, were married. They met, and they were married in 1958 and settled down in preparation to raise a family. Gordon joined the Ashtabula City Fire Department, but continued fixing radios and TVs in his spare time. He also learned to play the drums and enjoyed taking part in various local bands. Eventually, he became the leader of his own band, the Versatiles. The couple was blessed with 4 children over the course of the next 20 years: David, Tom, Jean, and Helen. Gordon left the Ashtabula City Fire Department after a number of years and concentrated on electronics, branching out to include sound systems for commercial use. That endeavor boomeranged into a full-time business providing speakers, microphones, and amplifiers in northeastern Ohio and northwestern Pennsylvania for fairs, business meetings, and festivals. One of the first being Austinburg Country Days in 1979. During the winter, he filled his time installing permanent sound systems in schools, churches, retail businesses, and private homes. Bonnie became a stay-at-home mom while the children were young, taking odd jobs to help with life's emergencies. One of the most rewarding was taking care of working mother's children in her home. When the girls were nearing college age, she became licensed to sell insurance for family life. This led to an offer for a position as a tour agent for Gray Line of Niagara Falls. She advanced to the managership of the local office in Austinburg and remained there until her retirement in 2004. As for Gordon, the word retirement does not exist in his vocabulary. His love of people and enjoying festivals keep him going. Gordon and Bonnie are also active members of local veterans organizations and the FOPA. Their family has grown to include a lovely daughter-in-law, Sally, and 2 wonderful sons-in-laws, Phil and Paul, 5 grandchildren and 4 great-grandchildren, all of whom live in Ohio. When you see that older man climbing a ladder, hanging a speaker, checking amplifiers, and testing microphones, say, "Hi, Gordon." He'll be happy to meet you and have a chat. Thank you so much.